There have been earthquakes, airport disasters, and blazing infernos. But there has never been anything like the Devil's Reign. Created by the masters of magic of Planet of the Apes, they bring you the most incredible, unforgettable ending of any motion picture ever. The Devil's Reign, rated PG. Hundreds of souls held captive in an eternity of hell.
Seize him!
They become the Devil's worshippers and his demons. The Devil's Reign. Conceived by the producer of A Man Called Horse. Created by the masters of magic of Planet of the Apes. Heaven help us all when the Devil's Reign. Rated PG. The 300-year search for the power to damn mankind is over. And the towering terror of the devil on Earth is now unleashed. The Devil's Reign. Absolutely the most incredible, unforgettable ending of any motion picture ever. Rated PG.